In front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a photo and a paperclip at the bottom right corner. And then, firstly, to add an audio file, hit audio at the top. Then look for it here, in one of those apps, or by clicking on those three lines at the top left corner, in one of those sources. When you find it, click on it. If you want to add a video one, do exactly the same. This time though, select videos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!